So we have here today Microsoft 4K wireless display adapter, and I am going with you check it what is inside and unbox this together with you. So let's do it together. Okay, we have it outside and what is inside. So some papers, and this paper is about the configuration, so you can check it. So how to configure it, everything is in English. Also some drawings how to connect laptop, TV, and finally we have here adapter. So we have here some socket, and you can check it. So one of these is USB-A and second one is HDMI. So if you want to buy the same, you can check the link below and find best price.